Good evening, everybody, and welcome to this Smile On talk. I hope you'll be kind to me this evening. This is the first time I've done one of these talks with Smile On the webinar, so I'm still getting used to the technology a little bit, so just bear with me. I'll give it a couple of minutes just to check there's a few more people joining, so we'll let the rest of the listeners come on board, and then I'll get started. It's nice to see a good number of people logging on this evening, a few names I recognise. Okay, so we seem to have a good number on board now, so what I'll do is go through this evening's presentation. First of all, I'd like to say that the subject topic of our talk this evening is a guided approach to the aesthetic composite makeover. Leaves a little to my imagination, but hopefully as we go through, you'll have seen from the briefing that was on Smile On what the exact discussion will be about this evening. I'd like to thank 3M SBAY for supporting this talk this evening, and they have supported me in the production of some of the slides for this, so I'd like to thank them for being on board with this. For those of you who don't know me, my name's Andy Denny. I have a private cosmetic and implant practice based in Weston-super-Mare. I have been there for about 11 years now, and prior to that I was a dentist serving in the Royal Navy. As you can see, I'm a member of numerous cosmetic academies and societies, and I'm also a clinical instructor with 6 Month Smiles. My practice, as you can see, is there based in Weston-super-Mare. So it's a two-dentist practice, myself and my wife, and we have a hygienist, and predominantly I suppose it's what people would call a boutique practice these days, focusing on cosmetic dentistry. We're close to the seaside. Quite often the sea's there, and sometimes it's not there, being in Weston-super-Mare, but it's a nice journey for me along the seafront each morning, and I enjoy the location that I'm in.